It doesn't have to cost a lot to go camping. No, there are great deals that you can find and refurbish them for your family pleasure at the campground. Here are some budget camping deals and how we refurbish this stove.
Hi, I wanted to show you my classic propane stove from Coleman. This thing was an excellent buy. I found it on Facebook Market for only $15. It was in really rough shape when I first bought it, but I was able to take a wire brush, some sandpaper, a little elbow grease, and I mean, this thing cleaned up nicely. I painted it with a high heat metallic gray paint or silver paint. I also cleaned out each of the burners with a wire brush just to make sure there was no rust inside of those. Then I was able to hook this thing up to propane, and I mean, it fired right up. Just
Now, this stove cost only $15 and it was a great buy. You can find stoves like this all the time on Craigslist and Facebook. Hope you enjoy this. Please subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this.